Welcome to CarPlay Hacks, your go-to channel for everything CarPlay. In today's video, we'll guide you through the setup and essential features of CarPlay, making your driving experience safer and smarter. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things CarPlay. Let's get started. CarPlay is the ultimate driving companion, seamlessly integrating your iPhone with your car's infotainment system. It's designed to keep you focused on the road while providing access to navigation, calls, messages, music, and more. Before you begin, ensure that your car and country support CarPlay. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable or wirelessly if your car supports both options. If you're unsure, consult your car's manual for detailed instructions. Unlock the power of Siri in CarPlay. Whether you prefer pressing and holding the voice command button on your steering wheel, using the touchscreen, or simply saying, "Hey Siri," CarPlay has you covered. Siri suggestions make accessing your favorite apps even more convenient. With iOS 15, Siri can now announce your incoming messages. Customize this feature in your iPhone settings and enjoy a safer way to stay connected while on the road. Navigate CarPlay with ease using your car's built-in controls, be it a touchscreen, rotary knob, or touchpad. Siri seamlessly integrates with these controls, providing a hands-free and safer experience. Make CarPlay your own by arranging your apps. Follow these simple steps on your iPhone to add, remove, or change the order of your favorite apps on the CarPlay display. Personalize your CarPlay experience by changing the wallpaper. It's easy. Just access the settings from your car's display and choose the wallpaper that suits your style. Exciting news for iOS 17 users. With SharePlay, the driver and passengers can control the music playing through CarPlay. The driver needs an Apple Music subscription, while passengers only need iOS 17 or later. Thanks for joining us today on CarPlay Hacks. We hope this tutorial has made your CarPlay experience even more enjoyable. Don't forget to check out our website, carplayhacks.com, for additional tips and hacks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more CarPlay goodness. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.